What's up? It's your boy Noodle Nick, and today we're going to be checking out a solar keyboard. So I'm out here touching grass for the first time in 6 months to show you guys this. They have a couple of other things that they sent me as well, so we're going to be checking those out. But yeah, pretty excited. Never seen anything like this before, so iClever. Let's go get unboxing. All right, so this is the lineup from iClever, so I guess we'll start with this one. Numeric Keypad. So inside we have a Type-C cable, nice, and we have a little number pad. Cute, I like it. So if you have like a small keyboard, like a 70% or something that doesn't have like a full number pad, then you can plug this in off to the side and then just scoot it whenever you don't need it. Not bad. All right, on to the next one. Next up we have 34 keys multi-device connection number pad. Type-C cable. Another number pad. This one square keys, the other one was circular. But you can tell they're very similar features. They got a nice little aluminum little accent there. All right, that's pretty cool. They're basically the same. It looks like the same exact layout, same keys, just a different style. It's also Bluetooth, so if you wanted to use this for like your phone, or this reminds me of like when I used to punch my lunch number in at school. We used to have one just like this. All right, next up we have the aluminum frame and travel ready backlit multi-device foldable keyboard. I love Bluetooth foldable keyboards. They're so useful. I have one back from one of my old videos and I use it all the time. This one's definitely more high quality. So oh yeah, they care about this one. Look at this little Crown Royal bag here. Nice. Little protector bag. Yeah, so you put this in your backpack, whatever, take it with you, connect it to your phone, and instead of typing on your screen, it already turned on and everything. Whoa. The mechanism. You see that? That's very interesting. I like it a lot. What else does it come with? Instruction manual, a holder, and a Type-C cable. Nice. Hold on, I gotta figure out how this works now. Why'd I put this away so soon? Bring it back out. What are we doing here? Is it supposed to go like this? Because this is sliding everywhere. This seems like the bottom. I feel like it goes this way. There's your little stand. And then it just sits like that. Is it just like a sitting stand, like a display stand? I don't understand. You know what I mean? I like it though. Very nice. We'll leave it just like that. Boom. On display, baby. Could definitely use some rubber grips on the bottom though. Just saying. All right, next up we have the Ergonomic wireless mouse. I don't think I've ever tried an ergonomic mouse on this channel, so this will be a first. It comes with Type-C cable. Oh, ew, what is this? What is this? This is ugly. I don't know if I can handle it. It looks like a shark fin on my desk. Very interesting. Oh my god, the keys are completely silent. I swear I'm pushing it. Completely silent clicks. Wow. And the clickbaiting is over. Last but not least, we have the solar keyboard BK60. This is the one I'm most excited about. Tech that cares for the planet. Trying to cut down on battery waste and whatnot, I guess. Very thoughtful. Very thoughtful. This works outside. It also works inside. It's like if you ever used a solar powered calculator back in the day, it's very similar. So you can use it with inside light. So like literally I could power this keyboard with my ring light. Anyways. Here we go. I like this. This is so cool, man. This is so sick. I never thought dude, solar power still blows my mind. That's so cool, man. Wow. Okay, let's take stick off. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah. She's getting energy white now. We don't need no manual and we don't need no power cable. No need for it, buddy. Is there a dongle? Is this the on button? Okay, I see a blue light. That's good. Got a little feet. Oh, it's got little feet on the back. Very cool. It's got rubber on it too. Nice, nice. Rubber here. Rubber here. There we go. Okay, you just have to hold the Bluetooth button. Boom. Connecting. Oh my god, it works. Oh, it worked. I hit the Windows button and it did it. It did it, I swear. I'm not capping, bro. Okay, and then let me connect the mouse. Okay, so I figured out the mouse. You got to put the dongle. You got to plug the dongle in. It's working. She's working. And you can like change the angle of it like this. depending on the angle of your wrist. It's pretty nice. It doesn't bother me too much. It's weird like playing like you're with an open fist and you're used to like playing like this and then you're playing like this. You're gonna be exercising some different muscles, I'd say. So throw down a mouse pad and we'll get to gaming.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
You sure those are out there alone? I really needed someone to argue with.
Anyone willing to help?
Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm getting GG'd. It's big GG right now. I got clapped. Oh my god, what's even going on? How can I not even kill a fucking Star-Lord? Are we... Thank you. How am I missing every shot? Hey, can you pay attention to me? Hey, hello.
Can't handle the heat?
Oh, I'm dead. Big time, I'm dead. Hey, F! Why didn't the F work? What happened?
No applause?
Help get that vehicle to its destination. A little help, please.
Got him. Let's go.
Or a dagger.
Tandy needs help.
Check this enemy.
Day in the spa.
Shields up.
You get a weapon! You get a weapon! You get a weapon!
That's what happens.
Dude, how am I not hitting a single shot? Holy shit. Oh, I'm fucking dead. Star-Lord's ult does what? Who is that guy? What the fuck? Bro. Who? What? Did y'all see that? What am I looking at?
We are undefeatable.
Get fucking cook Venom. Get cook Venom. How do you have so much health? Who is healing Venom? Bro, can I hit some shots, man? Can I hit some fucking shots? Oh my god, what the fuck is happening? Fuck off. Is anyone healing? Can I hit any shots? Am I gonna be hitting any shots here?
We're not to shrine yet. Time's running out.
Oh my god, here we go with the stupid fucking Captain America.
Get that vehicle moving.
Yeah, I'm so fucked. Hit him once! Hit him fucking once! Ah! I feel like I'm not doing anything. I feel like I'm not doing any damage at all.
This is real firepower! That fucking hurt! I'll patch you up. Ooh, that felt nice.
I feel like I'm shooting and nothing's happening.
Get that vehicle moving again.
This is a bad idea. I mean, I'm just ready to die here, I guess.
Destiny, here we come!
Alright. I'll take it. Let me up.
See them.
Hey, team! You get a weapon! You get a weapon!
One way we get to the finish line, Zero.
Jesus.
Together.
How do you even get that high up if you're just melee, bro? You can't even fly like that, dog. That's crazy.
Fucking nasty. Only with more fangs.
Almost there. Don't turn back now. Only 60 seconds left.
They're ahead of us.
Shields up.
Come on, baby, get that venom. Let's
Vehicle
go.
reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I wonder if the Baxter building is still standing. See that? Supernova!
That's what happens when you threaten my brother.
Can I get a hit?
Double KO.
The same to me, only with more fangs.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
The portal in the Budokan will get us to where we
I am ready to put on a show.
Get cooked.
This is a nice spot. Hey, enjoy the shields up. Did you see that?
Clearly, you needed some help.
So close. This is your big chance.
Legendary! That's one sweet.
Only 60 seconds left.
Us against the world.
Oh my god, please, please.
Come on, boys.
Yes.
Spider-Man. I don't think that's the welcoming committee. Assemble! You get a web. You get a web. You get away.
Down to 30 seconds.
Get wrecked. Get wrecked.
KO. You got them all.
Woo! Let's get it.
Another epic victory.
Anyways, I'd say I did pretty good. So if you like the Bluetooth keyboard, make sure to smash like, subscribe. I really love this thing. Definitely check out all this stuff. I'll leave the links for it in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to check out the tech review playlist. And that's pretty much it. Bye-bye.